What's up YouTube? Long time no see. Been about 5 years since I last uploaded on a video. Done a little bit since then, just hasn't done any uploads. We've definitely upgraded since then. So introducing to the new build, the new grow. Figured I'd document the whole thing from start to finish. I didn't document the building of it, but as you can tell, we're in a garage. There's the build. We got this is 10 feet by 8.5 feet. All the building supplies. As you can tell, we still got to texture and paint it. You know, a little cosmetic so it looks good. But yeah, so take you in. Nothing's been done quite yet. But here we are. Right now, currently just running a mini split out the window. Probably gonna end up putting in a DIY Mr. Cool or something similar. Mini split right there instead of the portable. Sorry, misspoke. But yeah, here we are on the inside. Just got our 250 volt up there. Got the radiant barrier, shiny silver plywood. And empty racks for all of our nutrients and whatnot. So all we need is the lights put up. Gonna be hanging 2 Mammoths, 800 watts. That's the plan for right now. Run a couple grows, see how it goes. Probably gonna end up removing half the shelving, doing another third one right there. And that's when I'll put in the mini split. You know, keep control of the heat, cold, yada, 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 mostly the heat. But yeah, you know, in the meantime, make this look pretty on the outside. Once we get that third light added, plans are to build out here a little bit and add a veg clone mother type room. Use the portable for that there. And, you know, mini split in one, portable in the other, and run it that way. So pretty simple. You know, future plans ready. Nothing set in stone yet. Got the insulated garage door just to help out. Gets a little warm around here. But yeah, took some time. Put a lot of effort into this. Insulated the whole 9 yards. So, you know, YouTube taught me how to build walls. But yeah, so this is just a welcome back, making a comeback video of the new and improved grow. We actually had another one I was going to start this on out somewhere else at a friend's house, and it was even bigger. Little issues, bumps along the way on that one. So that one's on pause right now, hence starting up this one. And since I have more access to this one readily available, figured I'd document the whole thing. Ups and downs, and see how we do since it's been a while since we ran a pretty decent sized grow. But yeah, so stay tuned for some more updates. Hopefully we'll have the lights and stuff going here within the next couple weeks. Hopefully within the next week. I'll try to see if I can get a weekly or bi-weekly update of how things are going. I'll try to include the mess ups and anything else as well, so you see my mistakes, maybe get some input and some advice. Try to filter through all the trolls commenting things like on my last videos. But aside from that, see what we do. Oh, in this one we're gonna run probably cocoa. In my old videos I did soil and DWC. This, and then the one we did previously that I said had some pause on it, that was soil, a little mix. This one's probably gonna run cocoa. I'm debating running cocoa and soil mixed before, because we have the same lights, split them with half cocoa, half soil, for the same genomes, you know, strains, and run same nutrients and everything, and just kind of see which does which. So maybe I'll do like a side-by-side to see you know, how they come out. I know with the cocoa, I'll probably have to water a little bit more often from what I've been reading, but let's find out. So if anyone's got experience with cocoa, I figure I'll just do a cocoa perlite mix, because I want to retain a lot of water, so I'm not watering too often. So maybe like a 20 or 30% perlite to cocoa mix, royal gold or something. I'll find a really good one that's already been flushed and all the stuff out of it, so it doesn't have like trace potassium or whatever else I've read that can be located in cocoa, or like bugs or trash when it's been dried outside. So, you know, try to get the good stuff, splurge a little bit on it. But yeah, so peace out. See you from you soon.